What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.
Hi, I'm Adam Helfman, home improvement expert from Hire It Done. I always hear from homeowners who like to tackle projects around the house themselves. That's why we've put together this do-it-yourself series to help you next time you're ready to embrace your inner weekend warrior. Hope you enjoy the video. Hey everyone, it's Adam Helfman from Hire It Done. Today, I'm going to teach you how to caulk a toilet. Caulking your toilet is an easy do-it-yourself project. It only requires a few items. First thing you're going to want is a waterproof silicone caulk. The other thing you might need is an X-Acto knife and maybe a Phillips head screwdriver to puncture the caulk tube. And finally, the other items that you might need is a rag or paper towel to wipe off the excess caulk. So this existing toilet doesn't have any caulk, but if you have a toilet that has caulk, you cannot caulk over caulk. So you got to make sure that you remove the existing caulk before you apply the new caulk. So right now I'm just inserting the bead of caulk, and for the most part you just want to make sure that you get it in to the crack. You can always go back for more. Now, here's where a caulk finishing tool or your finger will work. So you want to continue this nice bead and go all the way around your toilet and then wipe off the excess, and then you're done. So one of the reasons why you want to caulk the toilet to the floor is that if the toilet ever overflows, or if you have a flood in the bathroom, it'll prevent water from going underneath the toilet and flooding below. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, go ahead and click the like button. If you didn't like it, or if you think you know a better way to tackle a project, then please leave a comment for me below. And if you want more great home improvement content like this, go ahead and subscribe. As always, I'm Adam Helfman with Hire It Done, and I'll see you in the next video.
What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.